Hey, what's up guys? So finally Redmi 7A has started receiving official MIUI 11 update based on Android 10, and in this video we will take a look at the new features and see whether the new update has affected the battery backup and performance of the phone. So let's get started. So first of all, this phone is running on Android 10 with MIUI 11.0.1 global ROM. The size of the update was 1.6 GB and it has a security patch level of May 1st, which is quite old. They should have provided June patch level, but never mind, at least they rolled out the update. The first and the major one is the app drawer. You can choose between the regular old interface or app drawer from home screen settings. If you haven't updated your system launcher app, make sure you update it first, else maybe this may not work on your phone. But this is officially available on Android 10. You can also edit the background color like white, black or system color, which will change according to the day or night mode. You can also change the transparency of the app drawer. You can change the sequence of apps like arrange apps according to date installed or alphabetical order. You can also add categories and whether you want category grouping on the app drawer or not. From home screen settings, you can change the size of the icons on your home screen. Whether you want small, medium or large icons, you can change it with this slider. Not much has changed in the display section. The dark mode has been slightly improved. The black is more deeper now compared to the older look, which was slightly greyish. So this has been improved. Nothing has changed in the color scheme option. Another thing that has been changed is the animation and UI of the text size settings. And finally, with this Android 10 update, Redmi 7A now gets full screen mode with swipe gestures. This is a really good and most awaited feature on Redmi 7A. When you activate it for the first time, it will take you through a how-to guide for various swipe gestures, and after that you are good to go. You can long swipe from either sides to go directly to the previously opened apps, but this may take a while to get used to. Next new feature is that now you have a built-in option to check your network speed, be it your mobile data or Wi-Fi speed. You can also use it for network diagnostics, so now you don't need an additional app for this purpose. Some new features have been added for music lovers as well. One of them is in the sounds and vibration settings. You can activate them by connecting your wired or wireless earphones with the phone. Talking about earphones, if you haven't seen my Noise Shots Ergo review, you can watch it by clicking on the card on the top right corner. There's also a giveaway going on. Those are the perfect earphones for music lovers who want hard and punchy bass. Some new features have been added in the MI Music app settings section. Go to advanced settings. In that, you can now enable sleep timer. You can use it if you like listening to music when you are sleeping and want the music to stop automatically after a certain period of time. You can change the timing by using the slider. You can also filter audio files by size or by length. And in the by folders option, the videos on your phone will be displayed. You can directly listen to audio from those videos. You don't need to convert your video files to MP3. That's all in the MI Music app. The user interface of the Gallery app has been updated. You can zoom in or zoom out to view photos categorized according to their month. The album section has been updated as well. And now you get the trash bin or recycle bin. So your deleted photos and videos will remain in the trash bin for 30 days. Some editing options have also been added. So you don't need additional app for editing your photos. Some new filters and stickers have been added. But still the sky color replacement has not been added to Redmi 7A. So these were some basic changes in the Gallery app. Some new wallpapers have also been added. You can check them out in the My Themes section. The user interface of the Game Turbo app has been revamped. You can see it looks much better now. You can add apps to the front screen to enable Game Turbo mode while opening these apps. But on Android 10, the app loading time has slightly increased. The apps open slightly slower compared to Android 9. Also, the battery is draining slightly faster. Maybe this will be solved in next security update. I haven't experienced any other major bugs till now. Only thing I'm not liking in the Android 10 is that the performance has been slightly affected. The phone lags sometimes, which was not the case earlier. I hope this will be solved in the next update. So these are some of the changes in the Android 10 MIUI 11 update. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you feel about this new update and have you faced any other major issue on Android 10. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates. on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.